Hey guys, what's up? It's Robert here with Blackjack Frame Machines, and we've got another Rec 240 in the house today. It's got a couple of damaged spots. Right up in there, a little bit right up in there. Get you around to this side. We've got some more over here. Yeah, I've got the bumper taped up. It's fine. See, it's pretty far off down there. And some more damage right here. Alright, we're going to set you up with a little pull real quick. Alright, we're going to try to give her a little bit more and see what happens. Now in house we have a couple of hooks that are like this. Immediately going from this pull to try to get this little divot out right here. Now that we have gotten that pull done, we're going to come a little bit further back. We're going to try to get some of this damage out without taking the over fender off. That's what I'm hoping. Let's find out. Now what we've got is one of our eyelet pulls, and I've got a piece of 2x4 backing it up inside the car. Let's see if we can make that clear. Tap on it a little bit. A few more bolts to remove. And try not to destroy the bumper. Dropping it on the ground. Yeah, sure, that makes sense. Let's put two different sizes. No problem. Maybe not. What is holding you? Get the old body tool in here. Easy, easy. Lots more easy. Yep. Just stay right there. Yep. Are you gonna give it up? Oh yeah. Love it when a plan comes together. Assess the damage. Get you guys in here. Oh yeah, she slapped the wall a couple times. So next we're gonna try to get some more of this out right here. I'm not sure if they're wanting to do anything back here. I do know they want to get some of this out too, so the over fenders fit properly again. And we'll be back if we're doing this back here too. Alright, now that we've gotten that pulled out, we're going to come back to right here and do a little pull on this because it is in right there. Alright, we're going to get this next little full set up. Watch how fast it goes. And air would help. It's not perfect, but it's getting over fenders. I think that'll work. And here she is with the door back on her. That's pretty good. Most of that damage is out. Most of that's out. All of that's out. And most of that's out. Stay tuned, folks.